Welcome back. It's been a few days, starting to get bird activity here. Squirrels were first, so we'll see what we can find today. They've been using both feeders. I think I see a nuthatch on the tree. So I'm going to add some seed because the squirrel keeps knocking over the one feeder. Set up my blind. Hopefully that'll be enough to get the birds comfortable. Finally got my nuthatch picture, and it's a look. I'm so excited. I spent weeks where I used to live trying to get this picture. I went out, I can't tell you how many times. It was like a half-hour drive. I would see them all the time when I didn't have my camera. But yeah, this yard is loaded. This isn't the only picture either. Alright, awesome first session. Birds all over the place. And here's the pictures. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. And I think we'll try to get the crows next time. That they're always out in the field over there. Till next time.